It is always a good idea to do your research and be cautious before committing to any opportunity. It is important to be cautious when looking for ways to make money online, as there are many scams and fraudulent opportunities. Participate in online surveys or focus groups. You can earn money by participating in online surveys or focus groups. While the pay for these activities is usually not very high, it can be a good way to make some extra money on the side. Do freelance work. There are many websites and platforms, such as Upwork and Fiverr, where you can find freelance work in a variety of fields, including writing, design, and programming. You can also offer services such as consulting, coaching, or freelance writing. There are many ways to make money online, and the best option for you will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Sell products or services online. You can sell products or services on platforms such as Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, or you can create your own website to sell your products. Here are a few ideas to consider. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for writing or creating videos, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This can be a good way to make money over the long term, but it carries some risk as the value of your investments may fluctuate. Invest in the stock market. If you have some money saved up, you can invest it in the stock market through online platforms such as Robinhood or E-Trade.